Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can remove the background of images for free online. So there are a lot of tools online in which you can use to do this. So some of them is Canva. You see this image's background has been removed. I think this has been already done, but then you can remove the background of an image using Canva. So when you tap on the image, you go to edit image and then there's it, background remover. But then the problem is you need to be on their premium offer to use this tool. That's why they have that premium crown here. And then the next one, you can use Capcut. They have an AI tool that will help you do that too as well. So this Capcut, this is the website you can use. You can try it online, or if you have the Capcut app or software either on your mobile phone or your PC, you can do that too as well. So they remove the background for you, and then you can use this website, remove.bg. This is the URL, remove.bg. I'm going to include this URL in this video's description. You can use this website to remove the background of every image of your choice, and it's unlimited and it's also free. But then the con about this is when you remove these images, you can't download them in HD unless you are on their premium offer before you can download a removed background of an image in HD. So let's not waste time, let's get into a tutorial part. So just like I said earlier, in this video we'll be using the remove.bg because it's free to use. But then if you are on premium on Capcut or Canva, I think you should use it. But then if you are not on any of that offers too, you can use this. So let's start. Let's upload an image and let me show you how you go about it. So let's use this image. So yeah, it's been uploaded. It will preview the image before it removes it for us. So I think after previewing, you guys will see the image. So this is the image, and then it has removed the background. So now you can download it. So you see download in HD, they will tell you you should be on their premium offer or you should buy credits. So here you just download it, and then yeah, we have it here. We have the image here. So let's say upload, and then remove the background. There's the image. So and that's it. You see it's also floating on the image as well, and I think the quality is even clear. I think it's 720, but then for HD you need to buy credits. That's you need to be on their premium offer. So let's do another one to upload another image or to remove the background of another image. You just need to click on the plus here, which is upload, and then you select the image. So let's use this image too. It's also a free image from Pixels. So yeah, it has removed the background, and then you download it. You can click here and then import that image to Canva immediately and then start using it. So let's upload it here once again. And that's it. You see there's also floating. So that's it. That's how you can remove the background of an image online for free. I think this image is also floating. You can also remove it, and then you see that's the real image here at the back. So that's it.